Welcome to your virtual tour. This property is brought to you by Karen McCartan Foster, of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Parks, and Weisberg Realtors, the perfect horse farm. This adorable 3-bedroom offers 2 baths and an unfinished basement. The living room features a stone fireplace. There are 12.6 acres, that is divided into 4 pastures and a hay field. A 35 by 30, 4-stall horse barn with feed room and hay loft. 41 by 30 machine storage, could be small indoor arena. A 47.6 by 24 pole barn with concrete floor, 220 electrical service, plus 4 overhead doors, 3 8-doors and 1 Nina door. The farm is partly surrounded by a single row of trees allowing for privacy. The 2 driveways give good accessibility for trailers. Located in easy 30 minutes to downtown New Albany and a close drive to Bordon, Greenville, Pekin, Salem, and Corydon. Taxes reflect no exemptions.